Hi everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and during the month of December I'm going to be posting to this channel 4 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious Posh bacon, eggs and simple onion chutney. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious Posh bacon, eggs and simple onion chutney. So this recipe is really easy to do, and I have to say that breakfast is my favourite meal of the day. I love a good breakfast in the morning, and I also really enjoy a good Christmas Day breakfast as well. And I think I'm going to be having this one on Christmas Day. We have a variety of breakfasts that we go to on Christmas Day, but I think this year we're going to be having this one. This can also be eaten as a lunch or a light dinner as well. So if you fancy something after your Christmas turkey, then this is a brilliant dish as well. So as I said, I'm going to be having it for breakfast today, and I feel very lucky that I'm going to be having it for breakfast today because it is so yummy. So of course, while I was making it, I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious Posh bacon, eggs and simple onion chutney. For this recipe, I have some sweet potato pancakes that I actually cooked off earlier. So I made a batch and then I froze them, and I just defrosted these overnight. I find that the easiest way to make sweet potato pancakes, especially as it's just me that normally eats them. I make a big batch and then I just freeze them, and I put them into a bag, and I just take a couple out when I want them. So that's my sweet potato pancakes. And then I have also made some onion chutney for us to enjoy this Christmas, and I'm going to be enjoying this with my breakfast this morning. But you can have this with cheese or meats or pork or anything like that. Cold turkey, cold leftover turkey, that would be delicious with that as well. So yeah, and I will link the recipe for this in the description box below as well. And then obviously I have 2 eggs and I have some Parma ham, which is going to be my Posh bacon. To start, I've grabbed myself a frying pan and I'm going to put this onto a high heat on my hob, and then I'm going to add oil to the base of that pan. And I'm going to leave this pan to heat up. My pan is getting nice and hot, so I have just simply cracked 2 eggs and I'm going to put these into the frying pan. I'm just going to fry off my eggs. Now I fry off my eggs before I fry off the Posh bacon or the Parma ham, because I find that the Parma ham actually cooks a lot quicker than the eggs do. But if you want to do it the other way around, then you're more than welcome to. But I just find this easier this way. The eggs have cooked beautifully, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those off and just put them to the side of my plate that I'm going to use later. And now all I'm going to do is just simply fry off the Parma ham. I'm not going to add any extra oil because the Parma ham is quite fatty, so it will just fry quite nicely in the pan. So I'm going to cook it on one side for about 2 minutes, I'd say, or a minute maybe, and then I just turn it over and cook it on the other side. And it just tastes really nice when you cook it like this. It's beautiful, I have to say. It's also really nice on its own as well, but I just love it like this. So that's a lovely golden brown colour. So I'm just going to flip that over and I'm going to see what this one looks like. And I'm just going to cook the other side until that turns a lovely golden brown colour. I have turned the heat down on my pan, but it's getting a bit smoky in here. So yeah, I think they're done now. So I'm just going to put those onto my pancakes like that. I'm going to take my pan off and I'm just going to go and put the pan under cold water. So the pan has been turned off and I'm going to put the eggs, one of them is cracked unfortunately, but I'm going to put the eggs on top of the bacon and the pancakes. And then all I'm going to do is simply add a little bit of onion chutney to my plate, like so. And I'm going to have this for my breakfast now. And it smells so good, I can't wait. That's how you make my delicious Posh bacon, eggs and simple onion chutney. And that recipe and the recipes I have mentioned in this video, I will link in the description box below for you. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.